A estimated maritime loses over 500 trillion rupees every year. Active petrol vessels 34. Average backhaul utilization 33%. Mangrove coverage declining. Marine debris rising. Projection continued structural strain. Did you hear that? That is not the ocean failing. That is the system reporting inefficiency. Now imagine a port master from 50 years ago entering one of our busiest ports today. He sees the cranes, the ships, the stacks. Then he opens the logistics dashboard. Queues, idle capacity, containers returning empty. The tools evolve, but the coordination pattern remained familiar. Who among us would accept that? Honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hanif Mulia from Senior High School number 13, Palembang, and today I stand here not as a marathon authority, but as part of a generation that raised inside integrated systems. We all know one simple principle. When a system leaks, you redesign the architecture. Maritime is not just about water and vessels. It is about economic circulation. It is about food security. It is about sovereignty in motion. It determines whether a coastal village thrives or slowly disappears. This is not only about containers and cargo. It is about young fishermen in Belawan who sails before sunrise, only to return with the half catch his father's one brought home. Not because he lacks skills, but because our surveillance network is fragmented. When a system fails, families pay loudly. Right now, three structural gaps demand attention. First, fragmented surveillance. Satellite feeds exist. AIS tracking exists. Naval patrol exists. But they operate in silos. Imagine a foreign vessel entering the North Neptune Sea. It switches off its transponder. To the satellites, it disappears. To the patrol ship only 20 miles away, it is invincible. Without integration, that vessel doesn't just steal our fish, it steals our dignity. Visibility becomes partial, and in the maritime world, partial visibility invites full-scale exploitation. Second, disconnected logistics. We often complain about high costs, but let's be rational. Why is a sack of rice in Papua is twice the price as one in Java? It is not about the location. It is about the waiting. Ships idle for days because the port data doesn't sync with the cargo data. We have created a digital island that refuses to talk to each other. With a unified maritime data exchange platform, efficiency is just an accident, not a structural standard. Third, ecological erosion. For too long, we have treated mangroves and corals as mere scenery. But in carbon trading economy, they are not just plants. They are assets. When mangroves retreat, we are not just losing trees. We are losing the most expensive natural breakwaters we have. When corals die and fish stocks collapse, a fisherman's bank account dies with them. And when income disappears, so does the opportunity to the next generation. Environmental resilience and economic resilience are not separated conversations. They are the exact same systems. We upgraded the hardware. Now it is time to upgrade the governance architecture. And this is where Gen Z must enter. We are the first generation that does not separate physical infrastructure from digital infrastructure. To us, integration is natural. Interoperability is standard. Real-time data is expected. So the response must be systemic. Integrate surveillance into a shared maritime intelligence network, where satellites, AIS, patrol command feed into one real-time dashboard. Establish interoperable data platforms across ports and agencies. Align coastal conversations with blue economy incentives. This is not idealism. This is a structural design. By 2045, we will not be measured by how many ships we launch. We will be measured by how intelligent we synchronize them. The sea does not need other promises. It needs smarter systems. Gen Z is here not to inherit the maritime future. We are here to build it. We are here to lead it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.